Skellig, one of the biggest gannet colonies in the world. So it's just wall-to-wall gannet. Gurgling, grating call. Look at this. See this one? This is kittiwake. And you see how the edge of the wings are completely black?
Yeah.
They say it looks like it's dipped the wings in ink. Hard to believe that we'll be staying here for the weekend. The Skelligs is somewhere I've wanted to visit for a long time. It's a very famous seabird colony. It's a very important area for lots of different species. And of course, Star Wars has also been filmed out there. I've never seen Star Wars. I'm most excited about the birds. So breathtaking. Like the hustle and bustle of a city in bird form. Oh my God.